Want to check the health of an external hard drive or SSD before it becomes a problem. CrystalDiskInfo can read health information from many external drives, but the connection method and enclosure can affect what information is available. In this guide, I'll show you how to check an external drive and what to look for. First, connect your external drive to your Windows computer. Use a reliable USB port and give Windows a moment to recognize the device. Open File Explorer and confirm that the external drive appears. If Windows can't detect it, CrystalDiskInfo may not be able to access its health information either. Next, launch CrystalDiskInfo. At the top of the window, look through the available drives and select the external drive. Check the model name and capacity carefully so you know you're viewing the correct device. Start with the health status indicator. CrystalDiskInfo can show statuses such as good, caution, bad, or unknown. Good means the reported indicators are within the software's normal range. Caution or bad deserves attention, especially if the drive contains important files. Now check the drive temperature. External drives can become warmer inside an enclosure, especially during long file transfers. A single reading doesn't tell the whole story, so watch the temperature during normal use and heavy activity. If it repeatedly becomes unusually hot, check the enclosure and airflow. Scroll through the S.M.A.R.T information below. Depending on the drive and connection, you may see attributes related to reallocated sectors, power on hours, unsafe shutdowns, read or write activity, or other health indicators. The exact information varies by drive model. Here's an important point with external drives. Some USB to SATA or USB to NVMe bridges don't pass all S.M.A.R.T information through to Windows. So if CrystalDiskInfo shows limited data or doesn't display the health status, the drive itself may be fine. The USB enclosure or bridge could simply be limiting access. If you need more detailed health information and the USB connection isn't providing it, you can test the drive through a compatible direct connection. For example, a SATA drive can be connected directly through SATA when supported. For NVMe storage, a compatible internal slot or enclosure may provide better access to drive information. And that's how to check an external drive with CrystalDiskInfo. Focus on health status, temperature, and available S.M.A.R.T data, but remember that USB enclosures can limit what CrystalDiskInfo can read. If anything looks unusual, back up your important files first.